When we were in high school, you gave me a piece of yellow cartolina. Sabi mo doon, mag-iingat ako kasi papakasalan mo pa ako. So at a very young age, I prayed, Lord, please let it be Edward.
Si Edward, super tagal ko na siyang nakilala. As in, 16 years, I think, more than half of our lives. Actually, overwhelming nga rin siya. Tsaka masaya talaga. Kasi sabi ko nga sa kanya, parang we've really come a long way. Kasi since high school graduation, tapos dumating ng college graduation, dumating ng law school ko, tapos work naman niya. And then after that, yung work ko, sobrang na-stretch din yung magkasama kami. Tsaka mas nadidiscover, parang yun nga, laging may bago. Kasi nga changing. Pero yun nga, kahit changing times, at least yung meron kaming dalawa, it's constant. Kaya it feels good then, and I feel at peace. Kasi alam ko na siya, ganun din yung nafe-feel niya sa akin.
AJ, Jay, families and friends here would agree with me that you are a ray of sunshine every time you walk into someone's life. Just like how you walked into mine 16 years ago. First day of freshman year was when I first saw you. I vividly remember that genuine and pure smile of yours with that very little cute dimple that you have, which really flattered my heart.
Salamat at naging anak kita. Alam ko na ang pagdadaanan nyo ngayon bilang may asawa siyempre may kahirapan pero makakaya yan. Just put God first in your relationship.
Sobrang thank you for being supportive and for being open din. Yun nga, sabi ko nga kay tatay, I may not understand both of your ways before. Pero, yun nga, as I grow older, na-realize ko na tama naman kung saan niyo ako dinadala.
Ay, designated messenger. Thank you po. Edward, kulang ng E. I can still remember how we talked about the future. Alam na ba yan? I love you, babe, more than I can ever express it. If there is another lifetime, I will make sure to find you and I will still choose to spend the end with you.
Sirami ka, Maria.
Tumuloy ka si Pon ko.
Sirami ka.
For the rest of my life. Every day I'll remain right by your side.
Whenever somebody tells me how lucky I am to be with you and have you, truth is, I don't need those reminders because I am blessed to wake up every day and my first thought is to thank God that I can call you mine.
From that first date at the coffee shop, nothing else had ever felt so right.
I am excited to see you walk down the aisle. I'm gonna cry, haha. Here's my small gift of love for you. I'll see you later, future Mrs. Ramirez. Edward.
I choose you for the rest of my life.
Another journey, buhay may asawa, hindi ka na binata, maging responsableng ama ng iyong magiging pamilya, and sana iangat mo ang pamilya mo ng kasama ang Panginoon.
Oh, your good days in front of me tonight, dressed in white.
Aubrey, did you come here of your own free will to bond yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Edward, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
Aubrey and Edward, are you both ready to raise as good Christians the children whom God will give you?
Yes, Father.
Yes, Father.
Totoo naman na sa simula't simula pa, alam na ng Diyos. Kasi sa simula't simula pa, Edward, bago mo pa nakita si Aubrey, pinili na siya ng Diyos para sa'yo. Bago pa yung unang pagkatagpo niyo, Aubrey, ni Edward, itinadhana na kayo ng Diyos sa isa't isa.
You're walking backwards, falling in slow motion, feeling stuck like you just...
Looking back, I am reminded of how much God favors me, for He had given me the man of my prayers, whose heart has been my safe place, and arms have been my home. I cannot guarantee that you will have a perfect life with me, but do remember, dumating man ang mga pagkakataon na ang hirap mong piliin. I will still choose you, just like how you keep choosing me all these years. I am here to stay, no matter how rough it gets. My home, my safe place, my answered prayer, and starting today, finally, my husband, mahal kita. You are and will always be my best decision.
Our journey for the past 16 years has been a perfect mix of highs and lows. It was not as easy as everyone think it is, but it was the perfect journey that we both needed to go through. I vow to be here for you, behind you in every highs and lows, in all your struggles and wins. We now have all the time in the world to do the things we want to do. No more next times. Just let's schedule it. No more rushing home. Just see you later. Again, thank you for everything, and I love you so much.
I'll be here with you.
Ano ba yan?